You spend months building your app, then you launch and nothing happens. Downloads stay flat, the app just sits there. Sounds familiar? The reason is almost always the same. The App Store algorithms doesn't know who to show your app to. And that comes down to one thing: your keywords. Keywords are how the store understands what your app does and who should see it. There are the words people type into the App Store and Google Play when they are looking for an app. When it comes to fitness apps, the following words immediately spring to mind: workouts, fitness, and home exercises. But the real question isn't which keywords to use, it's which of them will actually work for your app in your niche against your competitors. So, which keywords do you pick to get your app organic traffic? That's what we cover in today: keyword selection strategy for new apps. Hi, I am Anna, an ASO specialist. I'll show you how to analyze keywords before you add them to your metadata, so you stop guessing and start deciding based on real data for free. Let's go. Block 1. Let's see what the data actually says. 65% of all app installs start with a search in the App Store or Google Play. So the keyword you choose isn't a detail. It decides wherever your app gets found at all. Take a real example: home workout apps. What would someone actually type to find one? First ideas: workout, foam workout, fitness, exercise at home. Makes sense. But do these keywords bring traffic? And will they get your app installs, or are you fighting apps you'll never beat? Let's not guess. I'll open Keyword Check in ASOMobile and read the data. The link to this tool is in the description. Most of what I'll see here is free. Traffic numbers, the full list of top apps for any keyword, and search suggestions are all available without paying. A couple of metrics I'll show today are hidden on the free plan, but even with the free ones, you can fully analyze how competitive a keyword is. And if you need more, you can unlock them with a 7-day trial. So, start with workout. Traffic: 3,312 searches per day. Sounds amazing, but scroll down to the top results. Home workout, no equipment, with 115,000 reviews. Workout for women with 529,000 reviews. Feedbot with 274,000. Those apps have held the top for years. The niche is locked. The story is already clear. High traffic, impossible competition, low chance for a new app. Now try home workout, no equipment. Traffic: 903 per day. Still solid demand. But the top results are apps with 9,000 to 28,000 reviews. That's a fight you can actually win. Same niche, completely different opportunity. And you just compare the two in under a minute with no guessing. Block 2. The History tab. Is the niche open or locked? The History tab shows which apps held each position day by day over the past months. And it answers one question fast: is this niche open or already locked? Watch what happens for workout. The same 3 or 4 apps sit in positions 1st to 5th, months after months, never moving. That's a locked niche. Even with strong ASO, breaking in takes a very long time. Now home workout, no equipment. Look at positions 6 to 10th. Different apps showing up across the last 90 days. The algorithm is still deciding who belongs there. That's an opening, and that's your way in. Block 3. Suggestions. Fighting keywords you didn't think of. One more section I always check: the suggestions panel on the right. It shows related queries real users are actually searching. Combination you'll never come up with your own. For home workout for beginners, more specific, clear intent. Home workout, no equipment, woman, very target audience. Home workout app, 7-minute, functional and ready to convert. Each one is worth checking on its own, so you can run as many as you want and build a real keyword list. When one looks promising, hit the plus next to it and it goes straight into your keyword list. It's called Keyword Monitor. After you pick a keyword, the In Search tab shows exactly how competing apps appear to users in search results and in any country. Icons, screenshots, rating, name, metadata, so you can evaluate your competitors and see what works in your niche. Block 4. What to do with this data. Now we all checked a few keywords. What do you do with them? 2 signals already tell you most of it: traffic and the top results. High traffic, top results full of 100,000 reviews apps. This is a long-term play. Add the keyword, but don't expect to rank next month. As your app builds authority, it starts to move. Moderate traffic, smaller apps on top. This is your priority. This can move in weeks, not years. Put them into a title and subtitle. Low traffic, very specific query. Don't skip this. They are long-tail keywords. Each brings few users, but those users search for exactly what you offer, so they convert for better than board terms. So here's what to take away. Checking a keyword takes a few minutes. Skipping it can cost you months optimizing for roles you never had a chance to rank for. Create a free account on ASOMobile and start checking your search queries right now in tool built specifically for apps with relevant data. And if you need even more data, start the 3-day trial and use promo code ASOGROW for 30% off any plan. Link in the description. On this channel, you'll find lots more useful information on how to improve the visibility of your apps in organic search results. And next week, check out our video on a new free tool. See you soon!